Finally, Samsung has given the first official look at the upcoming Galaxy M30 as the official teaser of the phone is now out. This teaser shows that the phone is launching in India on February 27th and will be Amazon exclusive like the Galaxy M10 and M20. Not only this, but this teaser also shows the design of the phone from the rear as well as from the front. If you don't know, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 is launching in India on February 27, which means that it is launching a day after Samsung launches the M30 in India. So that's interesting. So as you can see, the Samsung Galaxy M30 has a triple camera setup on the rear, and if you look closely, then this triple camera setup has a design similar to the camera setup of Galaxy A8s, which launched in China last year. So the second camera lens on the rear has this rim around it that gives it a unique look. But like the Galaxy A8s, there is no glass back on the Galaxy M30. Instead, the phone gets a plastic back panel like the Galaxy M10 and Galaxy M20. So yeah, that's a kind of a con, but considering that the phone has a 5000 mAh battery underneath, this plastic back will definitely help in keeping the overall weight of the phone lower than with the metal back. Apart from a triple camera setup on the rear, another difference in terms of the design when compared to the Galaxy M20 is that the Samsung Galaxy M30 has an Infinity U display. This means that the screen has a U-shaped cutout or notch on top instead of the V-shaped water drop notch on the M20. Now the teaser shows that the phone has almost no bezels on the sides and on the top, but that will not be the case with the actual phone. Still, since the Galaxy M20 has around 90% screen to body ratio, the Galaxy M30 should have a slightly higher screen to body ratio. Finally, this teaser also shows the gradient blue color of the Galaxy M30, and there are reports that the phone also has a gradient black color option. The leaked specifications include a 6.38-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, Exynos 7904 processor, 4 or 6GB RAM, 5000 mAh battery, etc. The Samsung Galaxy M20 was launched at a price of Rs 10,999 for the 3GB variant and 12,999 for the 4GB variant. Since the Galaxy M30 is not a huge upgrade from the M20, expect the price to start somewhere around 15,000 or maybe even lower. So what do you think the price of Galaxy M30 should be in India? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.